All right, so one more apartment. This is 932. This is on Myrtle Avenue, one long avenue off of the Myrtle Willoughby. Oh my God, shady. It was actually 934. Not 932 as advertised. People at home that opened. We're so confused. They were nice about it. It smells like pot. This is one of the bedrooms. So this is like, maybe this is like 6 by 8 or something.
This is very small.
Yeah. So it needs a little work. It's fine. Okay, here's the bath. Well, at least the bathroom is nice. I like the bathroom.
Is there like a maintenance?
So,
Once you
Here's the kitchen.
once you go down the stairs, there's a little nook area where you go in and you put your trash. The living super takes the trash and puts
Oh, this
stuff.
living area is big.
Yeah.
Whoop, she was in bed.
Just if you want, just kind of avoid the features that we have.
Yeah. No application fee, just first month's. That's it. Okay.
Who's in New York? She's the only
So,
one outside.
this is the street. Loop is on that side.
What do you do?
934. Oh, okay. So there's another building going up there. I said that the construction is only supposed to be from like 7:30, ending at like 5 or 6 or something.